Hey, I just thought I would share a few of my experiences since I got involved in digital assets and how I got involved, in hopes that maybe it helps somebody that's new to the space, that has to learn, the things that I've learned, and maybe they could avoid some pitfalls that I've gotten into. I got into, in 2018, really looking at mining really heavy, and about the time I learned, what mining was all about, it didn't turn out to be as profitable as I had hoped it would be. But one thing I do remember is, everybody fighting over which miners were best. And it was interesting how nobody wanted to use the new A6 miners. And now those same guys are using A6 miners. Kind of reminds me of the constant bickering and fighting that goes on about Bitcoin or XRP. And I don't know why anybody has a problem with either. I hold both coins. I believe in both coins. I don't want to fight with anybody about it, and I don't think anybody else should. I don't think it should matter. Find the assets or asset that you like and buy it. So after I explored the mining, I thought, well, I think I'll just buy the asset that I want. And so I made my first purchase of XRP. And then I thought, hey, maybe I could do a little day trading. And that went on for a few months, and it didn't matter what trade I did, it seemed like it always went against me. And I don't know why that is, but it just is. The house always wins, it seems like. So I lost about $1,500 doing that, but I knew that I could make it back at the end. I think I could probably do it now because I know what I would do differently. But I'm not even going to worry about it. I'm not going to try it. If I do a trade, it'll be very rare when I know it's a clear winner, just to maybe get my $1,500 back. But I'm not worried about that. What I'm come to the conclusion of now, after exploring mining, after exploring day trading, was I just needed to buy the coins I wanted, invest in the coins, and hold them. And that's where I'm at now, and that's where I'm the happiest. I had one other experience that I hope will help somebody in this journey, and that was with the launch of the BTR token. Again, it was something new that since I've been in the space, I hadn't experienced yet, where there was an ICO, and we couldn't get in to the pre-launch purchase because we live in the US. So otherwise I would have done that, and I would have been just content and fine. I would have bought them, held them, and just waited to see what happened, and it would have been an investment. It would have been fine. So I was forced to be part of the launch the morning of when that was going to happen. And I know people have great hopes for BitTrue and BTR, but they did such a horrific job the day that their BTR coin launched. The server was glitchy, the software was having problems, they didn't launch when they were supposed to. It just turned into a train wreck. I had initially put in an order where I was comfortable and what I wanted to buy, and that wasn't happening. And this is my personal deal, and it's all on me. And I got my big boy pants on, so I accept it all. But I finally, for the first time ever, hit a market buy on the exchange to just buy at whatever price it could get me some BTR. And the next thing I knew, I was going in heavy. I was way deep into BTR for way more money than I wanted to spend and thought that I would end up. So for anybody that's new, those experiences, through the mining that didn't turn out to be quite what I'd hoped, and it just seemed like it'd be better just to buy the asset and hold, to day trading, didn't work at all. That's a quick way to lose a lot of your equities and the monies and the coins you have bought. And then that market buy on the launch of BitTrue. Cost me about $12,000, but that's okay. I now have my XRP and my Bitcoin, and I'm just going to sit and enjoy and watch, watch it mature, and quit having to watch it on a daily basis, a minute by minute basis, wake up in the middle of the night and check it because I've got a trade in the works or something I'm trying to do. Now I can just sit back and enjoy it. So for whatever it's worth, guys, that's been my experience through initial research, then ultimately purchases, some of the things that have happened along the way. I hope that helps somebody avoid some of the pitfalls. Just trust me, buy the coins, buy your assets, and hold. And just wait for them to mature like we all know they're going to. Have a great day, everybody.